when a brand new ad type on Amazon comes out, we need to realize which products it's going to work for and what time of year we want to use them. So you guys can see here, I always try to show you kind of the bad examples of new ads, but I have probably some of the best numbers I've seen in a very, very long time. These are numbers from last week. 10K in sales at under 0.5% ACoS, okay? These are the new type of sponsored display ads, paying by impression. If I scroll over here, you see I have two campaigns set up, okay? This is a kitchen brand that has a very high tier, high product expensive line, and then more of a basic line that's, very basic pricing, like $40 to $50. And the other one are products that are over $100, okay? So look at this here. Last week, you know what? I'm going to go to this month because I did set this one up a little sooner. So this month, this one has spent $26. It's only gotten one order, okay, at a 56% ACoS. This one has only spent $160 at 16K in sales. Now, there's also something else that I want you to think about that we are doing with this. So I told you, this is our more expensive line. It's premium products. It's products that people might not know they need or they know that are out there until they see them. Now, what are we doing along with this? And this is, I only handle the PPC, but talking to the brand owner, we've realized why this is working so well. Because he is doing a social media push on his products, okay? So what he's done, he's gotten his product in a few blogs lately. He's doing Amazon posts. He's doing social media, okay? So that, along with these impressions, his products are everywhere right now in his audience. So what we see is if a customer sees a product multiple times, like I said, I'm going to keep saying this, you get into their heads, okay? So he's doing this social media push and this big impression in Q4 kind of push to get ahead of it for this brand. And that, along with this kind of display impression campaign, is taking off like crazy. So that's one thing I really want to touch on here is I told you these campaigns, these VCPM, are built to drive impressions, right? What else is built to drive impressions? Facebook posts, blog posts, all of those other things are meant to get people to get eyeballs on your products. So what do? They see we're having 85K impressions a day right now. From this, we're probably getting double that from Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. Then people see this, eventually they come to Amazon, type in our exact product, boom, they purchased it because we've already hit them a couple times. So we're making the purchase very, very simple because the people already know what they want. Okay, so that's one big thing here that I've seen, and this is only with one brand that we're doing this, right? Is with these ads, especially with Q4 coming, if you have other media outlets, start to push them and start to set up these VCPM ads with them. I covered them in my last video, kind of what we're going after here with audiences, and you want to do those in tandem, okay? So that's one thing with these. Now, second thing with these VCPM ads is holidays, okay? So not even talking about Christmas yet. We've got Halloween coming up, right? Halloween is coming up in a month. And guys, one thing I really like to do here, and let me just show you this. Now, already, it's a good habit to get into to look at brand analytics. Just open up brand analytics. You can see already that Halloween decorations is the #1 search term right now in all of Amazon. And then we've got iPhone, very evergreen keywords, face masks, always earbuds, fall decor, and Halloween decorations. Halloween traffic is already here, okay? So on top of that, you see where I'm going with this is with the other area of these VCPM ads is this kind of pre-holiday kick, okay? So before the holidays start, right? You don't want to set up retargeting ads a week before a holiday. That's too late in the journey. You want to set them up now, a month before, 6 weeks before, okay? Because for the people who aren't going in and typing in Halloween decorations, right? If people aren't doing that, and that Amazon has it on the homepage too, they have, let's just see what Halloween decorations are popping up here, right? So obviously, a lot of people are coming in here and typing in Halloween decorations, and they're ready and they're buying right now. The retargeting ads, you want to get those set up for the people that are the last minute shoppers, right? You want to kickstart them. You want to get in their head early before they come to Amazon and type in Halloween candy or something a week before. Okay? So just 2 notes here, and I'm gonna put out a lot more videos on this because this is the newest type of ad on Amazon we have, and I'm seeing this stuff as I go, right? We've never had this data before, so I'm trying to give you guys my process as I walk through these new types of ads. So 2 things again, just to reiterate. Higher priced items have been doing well with these CPM ads, along with other social media and impression sort of pushes that you can do off-site. The second part is early holiday and seasonal pushes, right? Know when that traffic is coming. If you have a seasonal item, set it up earlier than you would think, because right now is you want to set up these retargeting ads. And then in 2 weeks, once October hits and Halloween really, really kicks in, those people will have already seen your ad somewhere. And they'll be like, I think I recognize this brand. And they're going to be more likely to click on your ad once they come to Amazon. Okay? So just start getting in the idea of thinking of these differently. Get them set up. Set low bids. These are not going to hurt you right now. All they're going to do is give you different and new insights into your brand and into PPC.